Have you ever imagined a place where art isn't just hung on the walls but lives and breathes as a safe space for everyone, especially those who need it most? Well, let me take you to Creamix, a unique art gallery nestled right beside Colombia's stunning San Rafael Reservoir. But Creamix isn't just about gorgeous views or beautiful ceramics.
Constan de 5 pisos, en la fase inicial del proyecto.
It's a sanctuary, a creative home, especially for the transgender community and refugees. Here, creativity isn't just an activity, it's a lifeline.
Ofrecemos experiencias únicas que te llevarán a solucionar tus dilemas morales.
When the world feels unwelcoming, Creamix opens its doors, inviting anyone who feels different, displaced, or unheard to step inside and just be. What makes Creamix truly special is its soul-deep mission, making art a universal language for connection and transformation. Inside these walls, you'll find more than just art exhibitions. You'll find workshops where strangers become collaborators, courses where self-expression is celebrated, and corporate seminars where innovation is sparked by the power of diversity. I've seen people from all walks of life, Colombians, travelers, artists, and refugees, come together around a potter's wheel or a blank canvas. They share stories, create together, and leave with new friendships. Creamix's gender inclusion focus isn't just a policy. It's part of every brushstroke, every piece of clay, and every conversation.
Nuestro modelo pedagógico se basa en la paciencia con nosotros mismos.
Contemporary and global in spirit, Creamix partners with companies and organizations who see art as more than decoration. They see it as a tool for social change, innovation, and brand storytelling. That means the work created here doesn't just stay on the gallery walls. It travels, inspiring conversations about diversity, sustainability, and inclusion all over Colombia and beyond. Because art is for everyone. And at Creamix, everyone truly means everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that matter.